Hello, let's see how to make okra fry with raw mango. Ingredients required are roundly cut okra, 1 small or medium sized chopped raw mango, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander cumin powder, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 3 tablespoon oil and salt. Place a pan on medium heat and add oil. When oil is slightly hot, add cut okra and stir them around for 2 minutes. Then close with a lid and cook covered for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open lid and add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander cumin powder, salt to taste. Mix them well and cook stirring for 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 minutes, transfer the cooked okra to a plate or a bowl. Again in the same pan, add 1 more teaspoon oil. When oil is slightly hot, add raw mango and cook stirring for 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium heat. After 4 minutes, add pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, sesame seeds and stir fry them for 1 minute. Then add cooked or fried okra. Mix them well and cook stirring for 2 more minutes. And then turn off heat. Enjoy it as a side with rice or roti. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.